Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut Webhook integration, where we will explore the benefits and uses of this powerful feature. Revolut is a digital banking platform that provides a range of financial services, including payment processing, account management, and more. Webhook integration is a key feature that allows developers to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur within a Revolut account. To start, let's define what webhooks are. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events, such as a payment being made or a new transaction being added to an account. When a webhook is triggered, it sends a notification to a designated URL, which can then be used to perform a specific action or update an external system. So why use Revolut Webhook integration? The main benefit is that it allows developers to build real-time applications that can respond to events as they happen. For example, a business can use webhooks to receive notifications when a customer makes a payment, and then update their internal systems accordingly. This can help to streamline processes, improve customer service, and reduce the risk of errors. Another key benefit of Revolut Webhook integration is that it provides a high level of flexibility and customization. Developers can choose which events to receive notifications for, and can also specify the format and content of the notifications. This means that businesses can tailor the integration to meet their specific needs and requirements. In terms of practical examples, Revolut Webhook integration can be used in a variety of scenarios. For instance, an e-commerce business can use webhooks to receive notifications when a customer makes a payment, and then update their order status accordingly. A financial services company can use webhooks to receive notifications when a new transaction is added to an account, and then perform risk assessments and compliance checks. To get started with Revolut Webhook integration, developers will need to have a Revolut business account and access to the Revolut API. They will also need to specify the events they want to receive notifications for, and provide a designated URL for the webhook to send notifications to. Once set up, the webhook will start sending notifications in real time, allowing developers to build responsive and automated applications. In conclusion, Revolut Webhook integration is a powerful feature that provides a range of benefits, including real-time notifications, flexibility, and customization. By using webhooks, developers can build applications that can respond to events as they happen, streamlining processes and improving customer service. With its ease of use and high level of customization, Revolut Webhook integration is an essential tool for any business looking to build automated and responsive applications.